nyoro at some point yabo we stand with this kabuinwayo but we stand against it. We need players. Yes, we know we need players, but what do we do in the meantime?
Yeah.
Kolunga bhuti.
Akuzolunga ndiyakuva tayi
Khathazekile. Akayifuni Sundowns. Kumeshona nje iSundowns and then wakupa konke sesifumele umngalami. That's all.
It's more like as a teacher they are playing when they are playing against yabo because like Polokwane City babethile iyabaqhobosha almost
ibuyisile nje izolo.
Babhungile nalapho if ever
It's okay man, it's okay.
Bathi kaloku bengekho ubhuti weBallon d'Or besayozimasa. Buyile ngo.
It's okay.
Like look at it.
Nina iplay deserve iBallon d'Or. Hey, it's your boy Kaufman. I'm out here in Cape Town. Later, Barcelona, Matthew Mengla, in a pole. South Africa, man. It's yet another episode of the Black Couch Podcast.
Yeah.
Yo, guys, we just recorded like a 30 minutes long
Sure.
video, and the sound was not recording. Yo. That's why I'm laughing, guys. But like the things we do to make sure that we bring you content, but like kushu. Shout out to everyone who's subscribed on our YouTube channel, man. And Namdlanje, we're hosting the only member at the moment, the first member.
Yeah. Get your
the
membership.
only member on the Kasime MTV.
Like guys, it's simple, man. Cut like a coop betinto pie cheap 10 rand tiger. Tiger we spend every day, but if we know we can do more,
once a month.
Once a month.
Like once a month is gonna assist us and make sure that we get more equipment, better quality.
Yeah.
We get more shows.
Yeah.
Like there's a lot that we can introduce with getting a little as we can, bruh. Shout out to everyone who's following us on TikTok. We're currently on 8K followers within 1 month. And shout out to everyone who's following us on Facebook. 13K. At least is no
I know.
And yo, we're struggling on Instagram. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at the Kasi_Mayhem TV, man. Nova's Paco 700, close to 8. But we're getting there, man. Almost on 2K subscribers.
Yes.
Can we please, guys, before this month end, at least 2K.
Yeah.
At least being about 2K.
Yeah. Singende kunyaka omnje singama 2K.
Yeah,
that'll be dope. Please guys.
As we were recording, we're going to get a squad.
Yeah.
The final squad
Yeah.
for AFCON qualifiers.
Yes, it's in Cape Town.
In Cape Town. Of course, the first one is in Uganda.
Yeah.
Versus Uganda Friday.
Yeah.
Next week Friday. And then the other one, Klaveki, Tuesday here in Cape Town at 6 p.m. evening, which I might miss. I might miss the game.
Yeah.
But I'll make a plan, man. We gotta shoot the content, bro. I can imagine the content, bro. Now we gotta shoot the content. I'll make a plan to make sure that I'm there. At least nobody first half.
And
then I can leave then. Yeah. But I think how many points is SA right now? Because like if we win the game against Uganda, we are through.
The away game.
Yeah, and then this game in Cape Town won't really make sense. Yeah, but
so are you saying we want us to lose the first game?
I don't want us to lose, ne? But at least draw.
So that the
'Cause
game in Cape Town can be interesting. Serious, nyan.
Yeah, man, because I feel like if it's
Says qualify.
yeah,
But for the love of the game, man, I feel like Cape Townians come out in numbers, man.
It's first game in 9 years.
You see?
Yeah,
You see?
9 years.
Let's prove them wrong. Nobody's say game say feel it, but we just go there in numbers to support the boys. But Babon by Cape Town behind you on an app.
Yeah, so currently on 8 points, and then Uganda is on 10 points. So if it's a draw, it's gonna be 9 points for South Africa, ne?
Okay.
And then Congo is on 4 points. So if Congo wins against South Sudan, we'll be on 7. Then if SA is on 9 and then Congo is on 7, then that means the last game is important.
Yeah.
But if SA wins, then they'll be on 11 points, which is Congo can't reach 11 points.
Yeah,
they can
they
only
go
reach 10 points.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, man, here's the squad. Let's go straight to the squad. Oh, Ronza is at number 1, of course.
Yeah,
that
yeah,
one you cannot argue that.
Yeah.
Ronza.
Zanzi is number 1.
Yeah.
Officially.
So Ulaweza, Ugos is injured apparently.
Yeah.
So endaweni yakhe bafake Sage.
Sage.
What do you think about Sage?
And Sage is gonna stay there.
You saying?
He's gonna stay there. I'm telling you.
Evadla kaka leya intswembu la kaka
Yo,
imfushane nga.
Lamchita, like it's been long coming, Lenny collab.
Like you are.
It's been long coming, Lenny collab.
Bruh, I don't like talking about this and using this too close to.
Yeah, too close home.
But yeah, sometimes my content. I'll tell you something, bruh. I was queen. Okay, I won't tell you, P.
Okay.
But there's a Cape Town team.
Okay. So
Yeah,
okay.
There's a Cape Town team, bruh. Like, yo, bruh. I was wearing this t-shirt actually.
Yeah.
And they were like doing autographs on this t-shirt. And I was like, yeah, I don't have your team's shirt, but I'm manifesting national team collabs with this one.
Dope.
You understand? And they were all like, yeah, but yeah.
We know the story.
Yeah, I understand? As if like teams from this side, they don't get picked
But somehow there is a point in that conversation.
But players have been picked before, bruh. It's up to the player if he maintains.
Yeah.
For me, it's the same thing that Emil Vitboy, is it Vitboy?
Yeah.
Went to Chelsea for trials. If that kid makes it, yabo. Okay, when umzekelo amazamano wakho uqhelwa ngqayekazi, ne? But wathenge market and you see the value by market. You're gonna stop uthenge kazi uzothenge market, ne?
Yeah.
Same thing that happens with Itiski in terms of exporting players. Europeans, when they see, there's a good reputation with players as Ivory Coast.
Okay.
Yeah, understand?
Yeah.
We have a lot of them here. Then we can go and
look for more.
understand.
Look for
even
more,
also in terms of discipline, we haven't had any problems from
Yeah.
players that send down a Chile. Yeah, understand? But now, when it comes to South African, the last ones to make an example or like to reference on, Zezakdala.
Yeah.
You understand? Who do we reference on Goku?
True.
And I was so excited when Ngezana almost played Champions League.
Yeah.
Because Europa.
Yeah. Also wanted him to
That's also big, Europa. But Champions League would have meant something for South African players.
Yes.
That's why I know it in Sundowns, but I kind of like hate it when they keep players.
Yes,
you understand?
Africa,
They're
like,
limiting the opportunities zabanye abantwana even.
Yeah.
Because the more we export, the more there will be more opportunities.
Yeah.
So umzekelo Lelaiti U Campbell.
Yeah.
He's paving a way for more.
Yeah.
Umzekelo,
Yeah.
someone already paved way for him to be there.
Exactly.
Was Utau.
Exactly.
Yeah, understand? Probably there was probably someone else before him.
But Tau was
the fact that he was there and they were happy about him, they could also see another player in South Africa. Be like, let's go. Once got a nice player, but let's go again. So V-Boy, if he could make it with Chelsea, even if he la team ye-DTC yabo, as long as he's there, bra, uvula eminye iminyango for ezinye players ezine possibility yoba mazifike pha. You understand?
Yeah.
So like yo bra, like in terms of la mentality as a player bezilapha Cape Town, I don't like it.
Okay.
I don't like it because Rashwin totally got picked. He was not picked before because he was playing for Chiefs.
Yeah,
he was picked because
he went to the COSAF and Lennon performed.
There's a lot of Cape Town players that were
that goes to COSAF. Okay, now
so it's up on you.
I get you now. I get
understand
you
to deliver and then
you now.
Yeah, because la way is about Valela. Imagine if I was a proper like sports journalist, I would have took that thing as a story and
ran with it.
Yeah, understand.
Shit.
And then Safa would see that and be like, okay,
yeah,
you playing like that, we're gonna play like that. Yeah, understand.
Then Valege Minyango.
Yeah, you Bansanda busy come. That's great. Simple China.
Yeah.
You happy?
No. It's good. It's good.
Yeah. Okay. Ow.
Yeah.
Bruce.
You see, about like conversation going back about like there's a Sydney mob in there.
Yeah.
And then there's Ulendo Fanroy ku Pirates.
Yeah.
Fanroy last year Bafana was supposed to be called. I don't know why. Like when it comes to player Ezinje, Umdonga need to buy Kaleo trailer COSAF like the way like second choice Kamutao supposed to Fanroy. But now it's gonna happen, trust me, like just a matter of time because of Pirates. So sometimes as a new player by moving this side, the process Bafana ba fast forward.
Yeah. No, I get you. I get you because I feel like ku preliminary. It's one player that I feel like he deserves to at least be good preliminary. Noba umfaka final.
Exactly. But I'm Jongile and he's performing.
Yeah. I get a little bit of that. I get it. Toby.
He's back.
17-year-old.
He's back.
Mbala. The only player in Kaizer Chiefs, right?
Good representative. Like that's a starting. It's a starting lineup like Kukui team has players about 7 in this Bafana. Then only one player is Odlala, kanye 2.
Yeah.
Out of that 7.
Yeah.
Then you get it even while out of one. Which is starting so of course have something to feel good about. While out of 100%, because no 100% player. Even the Sundowns don't make 100% starting 11.
Yeah, it's gonna be a difficult one for the coach. But is Grant injured?
No, he's left out. He's left out.
Damn. So Nkosinathi Sibisi.
That's why I'm saying Zvala and Dudley. Look at Mlosano Mbiza. The only person who plays center back Mlosano Mbiza.
Nongezana.
Oh, Ngezana. Yeah,
guess.
Ngezana
Europa League.
Ubanga yekuqina bra, uqinile Ngezana. Like it's good defending, it's good class fucking cross aerial ball, like he's good there.
Yeah.
But like Kuku Williams by political back bra.
Yeah.
Kuku Williams so like go la lantu yayiphazamisa.
Yeah.
That's why I feel like Bruce should drop him, but you know Bruce.
I want to kwenza unyana wakhe.
Yeah, ngeuphuncuke.
Maphosa.
Oh,
Primitiva.
Quality.
Kuliso Seyila Mudau.
Okay. One of the best in Africa.
Fawaz Basadin, he scored.
I want him. You know what?
He scored last game with the TS Galaxy.
Yeah, in 2 minutes.
When our favorite coach Sid Ramovic resigned live on TV. Resigned live on TV. He was like, I'm done.
Yeah, like.
But I don't know now. I feel like that was the deal already.
If you lose, you're out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like it's a must win.
Okay.
But Yena is PRing the whole situation.
Kalofuleke kwenzele ne-CV yakhe angathiwa wagxothwa.
Yeah.
Resume ifuneka kuthiwa wagxothwa.
And Usonwa was like, Usid was playing the game here in Cape Town. Saying Fuchale yabo. From Cape Town City.
Yeah.
Akayodibana no John Committees eCamps Bay.
Nobuyekile lo meeting. Suppose yena uCity after Gqibolelo ubamba ucommittee for me. Like we need him out now. Utinkle yazi khona ngokuya iCape Town City wayibambile and he moved to SuperSport. Waya ku SuperSport.
Yeah.
Before uBeni.
Yeah.
Was movela. La Cape Town City ubazanga iphuncule ya.
Yeah.
We will be 4 ngoku. Goku coming back the second time I knew it's not gonna like
it's so sad because I feel like they're just holding on.
They're holding on.
And
Gobing Tinkle.
I span. I'm happy that Manchester finally saw that thing.
Kaizer Chiefs 2.0.
Siya ku midfielders Tebogo Mokoena. Another Bruce Child.
Obvious.
Like Bruce Child that is performing. Not like Bruce Child.
Like it's like kokwenu kukho everything ne but wena unenhlonipho like asithi cheese boy but siyakwazi unayo first time so it's not just a favorite for ba kuyethandwa nje there's something that it does to be a favorite.
He's dope man, he's dope. I love the energy yakhe. Bathusi Opus
yazi Bathusi Opus ngidlala njengobani
bye
Thomas Partey trust me zikumjonga
the Ghana international.
Telling you, like if you know Opus like can just reference Jengo Partey everything. Bruh. He's got the height, the physics. He's fast. Like uphethe zonke tools. Uphethe zonke tools oba bafana Sundowns depend on you.
Nah, I like him. I think it's one of those players that you'll easily not recognize on the game, but he's dope. Talent Mbata. I'm a talent fan.
I guess yamazi ubuyele ndoni. Injury isibethila injury yakhe like 90 minutes goal.
So they dropped to Lawes kanye injury.
Adams.
Stole.
No botroche. Can't be injured.
Luke Leroux. I haven't watched Luke.
No, I watched him a bit. Ngokula match bekwangena kuyo. Ashe uyenel shayibat. Wafika like wadibanisa touches like nglamntu onito umfaka when we done with the team. He just comes and benguyo control tempo. Like he's a good passer, he can hold the ball like so. He's a good
I need to watch him, man. Mihlali Mayambela.
Back.
Ngomnyana.
Buyele ndoni.
Ngomnyana lowa.
Buyele ndoni.
Hayi ngomnyana lowa. Hayi andifila out. Brother kaMark Mayambela. Ikhata. Oshwin.
Ake.
Mapolisa.
Ake.
Police.
Yima. Akiza tsayo ngoyote 100%. Nepulukwane City nangu mapolisa
uhlale ngena
okwi starting 11 so zidu iteam ipulukwane Chiefs into 100% siyazima iplayer yami imkile iyo representation izawufika idlale.
I think Stellenbosch
akazodlala percentage
akazodlala
ofaka umotive
bana 2 players ngo Stellenbosch umuntu ongaseko ngoAdams. Patrick Tito Maswangani
thozoba ngithemba
Zwane replacement akekho Zwane mos.
Is the Zwane replacement.
Elias.
Okay, he scored his first goal for Esperance, so I feel like iba uzenala form to benefit us because he's one of the starting lineup players for sure now.
Tapelo.
Aike. The super sub. The super sub.
Tapelo Moreno.
Komnyala.
But at least his work ethic is dope.
Yeah.
President ama 2K rebuhile.
Kuthiwa ngubani Cocomelon. I was watching the match of Pirates and then it just I was like kukiport about Cocomelon. But I was looking at Cocomelon I was like Cocomelon makes sense. It makes sense.
It's also someone I feel like he should be trialing overseas.
Yeah, man.
Like I don't like it when these teams like as I feel like ne agent they should be like working active.
Bruh, man, yo, lomchita like unita gongo like transfer window izaphinda ivule nini? Ko January. Like noba ngihamba ngoku ihafu season.
Yeah.
Ahambe.
Avaye jo. I know Pirates wanna compete and stuff.
That's not gonna help us.
Evidence. Mahopandoski.
I was watching a game in Pirates where he scored.
Yeah.
I was like, a player and yazi is a replacer Lyle Foster lo injury is evidence. Mahopa because he held us quick careful. Look,
no, what happened with Lipasa?
I think I Vumel Pirates baphindele ku SuperSport. I don't know, but SuperSport is like Nazir upi ku SuperSport like yakana injured Nazir is not playing SuperSport
going on.
Kukho Orlando uVilakazi bejima pha uDole bejima pha, but when they play the coach is complaining about having a young squad, but we see a lot of senior players zitrainer pha kubo
mhlamba banamali
sha hayibo thengise kangaka.
The last one Iki
Iki my second they stand for the cup my bro. Oh, support for him my bro.
I feel like he's there, man.
He's there now.
He's there. He's there.
Like
who do you think deserves to be here? Maybe top 3. I can't go up but deserve to be here.
Damn. Mna mayambela mna rather ndibize uPesitawo than ubiza yena.
Wena
Pesitawo because Pesitawo is playing Al.
Yeah. And he's been winning.
Exactly. And then
but yakudropa lakakho bros.
Yeah.
I said dropile.
And umuntu enzothi deserve qha we know what happened is Jaden Adams.
Yeah,
yeah, but we know what happened. But I think the coach is reasonable.
No, opportunity. I feel like but lesson.
Yeah,
it's a lesson.
Yeah,
you're not bigger than the country.
You can never be.
Yeah,
you can never be.
For sure, Zanga communicate, not communicate. Because at least if you have communicated, there should be some kind of a mitigation.
Yeah. Because then you play Ayafika, they come from the same team. So,
I remember you were still wearing the Stellenbosch regalia. Yeah. Last player
would be up at back. I don't know. Grandu Trochilindoni.
I was shocked. Number Trochio. I thought him some injured.
I doubt when the injury grand the last time was no man. But if you injury okay, I'll understand.
Yeah.
I'll understand. Like sometimes they rotate but you win.
Yeah, they're born high rotation.
Like Lenny rotation is unheard of, man. Like changing 9 players. And still the players that are coming on, you see it's quality and they playing the Sundowns way.
Yeah.
They're not as clinical as the A team, but they playing the Sundowns way.
Yeah.
The more they play, the more we won't choke when we play in CAF and league.
Yeah, of course.
That
requires a lot. Bro.
Yeah.
There's so many cups, no. Well, you might play Chiefs again.
No, man.
Yeah.
I'm tired.
Serious, you might play Chiefs again. I think it's next week Sunday. Next week Sunday, you might play Chiefs. La kona la cup ingatiza kwenza charity cup.
No man. Kwenye teams zizozoitwo.
Iconic, I think Golden Chip and Golden Arrow.
So Z4 so yeah. Khona chance ba unyatsala and then ibe khona ophumayo ukuthi it's best this way.
But you know, there's a possibility, bro. Iyabhora
iyabhora ngoku because kukho abanye abantu ezabile nto ischedule, like for example jonga hlale nePolokwane City back to back.
But I feel like honestly Sundowns is gonna play a C team. Nah, bruh. There's no way they're gonna play A.
They're gonna play they're gonna play the Mkhulisi team.
Okay.
The Mkhulisi, Mayema, Khoza, yeah. Even the keeper's gonna change ke ngoku akazidlala lento.
Williams. Godlalu Onyanga.
Yeah.
I know, man. They can't play we shouldn't expect
because there's a heavy schedule aside, like
and of course the players are Sundowns Zimkile. Yeah, that's another fact.
Yeah,
Zimkile. So zobe zikwi international breaks zona I think zobe sendleleni ebuyayo.
Then azikwazi ukuthi zibuya. Then ke
azikwazi kwa ukuyodlala because Tuesdays
yadlala. Yeah,
as Guaz at all, so definitely it's the other team.
Yeah,
that makes sense. It makes sense. There's one thing a lot of people didn't speak about a lot, and both not like at all. Like I saw publications posting about it, but like speaking about it, like precisely, I was like, hey, but why? Like I watch a lot of podcasts, Shogampilo, K News with Cameron, Peace, Nobongosi. I watch my fans way too. It is key.
Yeah. It is key. Most people ngosebeyibukela xa kwine team yabo. Like I don't like you team yakho like
even in general. Yeah. I think I've outgrown it this team and I've seen a lot of things that I don't like. The same as the podcast and chill. I struggle. Yeah. I can watch it after 3 days.
Okay.
Or like after a day. I don't watch it like Olahlobo Mandilindi. Yeah. Like I feel like like I feel shame. Like I can watch it and enjoy it, but like I feel like
I feel like like the new shows, like the main show Pumile kuyo. Like yabona la show yama piano, that show like I like Sfiso.
I like Sfiso, but I haven't watched it that way because I felt like my piano as an trainer na ne industry. Yan trainer man industry na like serious in trainer in a way that I feel so sad, man, for Cape Town. I feel very sad for Cape Town that like sizohlala si khokhozela because like when you're listening to those guys you're like sekaphilwa man.
Exactly.
You understand this thing is happening.
Exactly.
I know basi sayiplana izokwenzeka. No, it's happening. You understand? Ubani wenzele ubani like yenze.
I have potential in the kinetic energy, like it's moving, bro.
Yeah, bola we. And upper everyone is holding. Yeah, bola we. So it's gonna take time, bro. That's why I hardly watch as in New Zealand. I'm like feeling very sad, man. Bugela le way. Like
but there is hope in Cape Town, man. There is hope. Yeah. I believe there is hope, man. Like if they can just pump in some money into this, enye izodibala noba ngumtsepe.
Ashi Pitor.
Like Mutsepe is everywhere. He just hosted this song. He just hosted like ngehlule kulendo.
I know he's everywhere.
Go put like it's yes Cape Town.
But like if you are directing your money towards Cape Town, you also know that who's gonna take credit.
Okay.
Politically.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah. Okay.
They're gonna take credit, especially when they do promos to sell the city.
Shit. Okay.
That's the same reason why it took 9 years for Ibafana to play again now. We know that. Same reason the PR any team is so white and so colored. And Funu drop Yamakam. They probably hate me already because I comment, brother. Last time I commented about Admina Totayo. Yo.
Every time, bruh.
Every time there was that game last minute fans bazingayi stadium. Bros from Joburg, I'm a fans way to team bro like flew. They had to leave because they can't stay more than one day
until tomorrow.
They can't. But if la way I communicate you like because PSL communicated la way bit earlier than them posting. Because abanye abantu ba rely on your social media.
Yeah.
They follow your social media for that.
Yeah. I kept on refreshing, I mean.
Yo, bruh.
Kept on refreshing.
You were looking for a squad. And then you were like, you know your reliables.
Yeah.
Yeah, understand?
Exactly.
So now, but they should be on that. Even the fact that I'm gonna name them guys. Cape Town City. Yo,
Because I tell the conflict team, yes, people like the way you so hard the team. Because of you Cape Town man, emotional.
Yeah.
They don't know how much you love this team.
They don't think I hate it.
Yeah, they don't know how much you love this team. Cape Town everywhere.
The thing is, I thought Cape Town City is gonna fill the void the Ajax Cape Town.
They never did.
I thought they wanna do that.
I don't wanna say they will never. They never.
Ajax Cape Town was so connected, like with Abantu.
Ajax Cape Town. Even Santos is better than Cape Town City, bro. Santos.
Yeah, bola.
Santos, like I remember, I used to say in Cryfontaine, Santos would kupa pass golden arrow.
Yeah,
kupa matikit for it.
Yeah,
about 3 passes. Like besides this one, like the connection with the people.
They, like, of course, sometimes they would partner with FNP. But partner with FNP so that make card FNP. It makes sense. You're promoting. But now, as 10 games but peace and azo, they're not like very precise with how you're gonna get tickets.
Exactly.
Like the CBT is very far for people to go and get office in yabo. Office yabo and also like. And office I learned that Dangen and I didn't feel welcomed.
Damn.
Yeah, bro. Chairman was there. And I don't expect him to be like, hey. But don't pass someone as if you're not seeing them. Yeah, bro. Tinekazi, if you are sitting down and someone is passing, who's gonna greet?
The one who's passing.
The one who's passing.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
I'm like, bro. I hate Lawe, bruh. Yeah. That's the same thing that won't make business for them.
Yeah.
That will be their downfall, bruh. Like I've been to, like I'm renting now. I didn't want to do this, but I'm renting. Bruh, I've been to their fan days, bruh. You see Bangoban that are catered for, bruh. I remember the one last year I had a season ticket and they said that people with season tickets, they're gonna get gifts and stuff. But when we ask for them later on, and it's dark, it's by 3. Bateta pa, and I was like, nah, man. Probably as gifts, it says Pumil. But Kuba ngoku ifunwa city.
Yeah.
Then, yeah, understand? I'm like, nah, guys, if you want numbers, you're not gonna get them from.
Exactly.
Only white people and colored people. Askis to say that.
Bro,
but like you know.
To comment on this, I've got colored friends. They don't watch PSL. They watch the Premier League. Like I've got friends as needs. Like the only game they said they will watch. Cheaper or a classmate. So they said I must organize a taxi. Cheaper.
Yeah.
Cheaper in Cape Town City. That's the only time they are interested.
Yeah.
They don't even look at Cape Town City to support Cape Town City.
Yeah.
So if fan base is us, bruh.
Yeah.
Like if you
they should be investing bruh. Like not even on only us. Everyone. Yeah,
exactly.
Understand? So that they can
convince la machitanga makala.
Also like bruh, I didn't want to get to this politics. Guys, please nigga, don't come for me. Please. I didn't want to get to this politics. Even the fact that like the coach, I like you, bruh, lunch or something. I'll do something big for you when they hire like a not a black coach, but like umXhosa kanye umZulu kanye umSuthu as a coach, like a head coach. Untache ta. Untache. It's only been Dutch, colored, I think Portuguese at some point. Then ibe Tinkler. Buti, siyashuta uphi? Bafana ungaphakathi ne? Kufutshane buza nje ukhofi man noba kubani bhuti man siyashuta ugqitha nje kancinci bhuti man khona ibhaki emisileyo apha left yabo cangwa la bhaki emhlophe ungena kula yadi nala bhaki bhuti abo kungathi zange waza apha ehayi ta man wena bhuti man bhuti hayi bhuti you are live on the podcast ngoku. Yeah, that's Siba N, man. Shout out to Siba N. Bendiphi na?
Saturday coach.
Yeah, they want, bruh.
I doubt now.
They want.
I don't see it coming.
I understand, bruh, like we about king, but the Jaws is still, bruh, like colored people get same opportunities.
They do.
So many colored players you can count, bruh, like so many. It's not that ngathi bavalelwe phandle eJozi nathi kwecala sizovala. Yeah, understand. It's like same thing. But I don't want to rant about them because
but you love the team and I know that like teams because of the pain.
Yeah.
Or if you like, but the team is not moving because of these things that they are doing.
Nah, man. Like even now they down.
I don't know. Look, and that lose interest in the total. Like I'm not sure. Like there was a time like I've been getting and then I don't know.
Yeah.
Just dropped.
Even this year they didn't push the season ticket thing. I was like, oh, okay, cool. And then they gave away all the work games. I was like, oh, okay, cool. But we all know why that thing happened, man. Say as Tina. Praye and Fudulwana, man. But I asked my why.
Why?
There's a 10 games, be free. The sponsorship ban is a games. But must be free.
So sponsor some. Sponsorship ban.
It's clear.
Okay.
Yeah, ask ngokuba why.
Yeah, okay.
Baba pushela.
Okay.
Yeah. Ngangcolisa.
Ish.
So possibly the Pirates odlala pha, but they playing Sundowns ke 14 ka December.
Damn. Yabona ngoba bebesefomini. I remember looking forward to that game.
Yeah.
Bebesefomini because this year Kotuk in corner like it was gonna be a good game to watch during December.
Yeah.
Close to 16, there's a vibe. Like everybody will, like I'm sure Zongi soccer fans is kept on bizarre.
Yeah. Let's hope maybe they're gonna pick up. They're playing Polokwane City.
They can't pick up there. They can't pick up.
They're playing Polokwane and then mostly the away games, man. Can't be strong because I only look at the home games.
Yeah.
Away games, I don't have much interest in them. Yeah, man. I even forgot what we were talking about before we even spoke about Cape Town City. But yeah, all the best to them, man. All the best. I want us to call someone before we wrap up. We wrap up because imagine. I hope send when right. I want to call him before we wrap up. And I want to hear him about uthini ngale match. Let's hope uzophendula. Okay.
Hey, yo, Catesville.
Nanko one pot. Yep, Puti.
Moto.
Okay.
Otherwise.
Bani kunjani?
Kuyaphileka Puti kumagwinya shushu man. Yes, sir, you are live on the podcast.
Yeah man, this is the coolest minister. Yo, la puto amagwinya hot.
Ayaphela yo.
Ayaphela yo.
I know we are bhaka ngoku mos.
Yeah, ndiyawaguqula tata ndwafake eziyoni ngoku yabo funeka aguquke abe blessed yabo so yeah ndiyawaphethuphethula
Uyawabhaptiza tata.
egameni lamagwinya angcwele.
Tata man besigqiba ohlalutya i final squad ye Bafana. Only one player ye Chiefs. And also so besipha andiyazi mna it might happen that ngabikho zawuzama amacebo alisizi because the match has been moved to 6 p.m. and they ask at 6 p.m. open mic, but ke zawuzama amacebo alisizi at least noba i-first half.
Yeah, swami noba i-first half. I know that would be great. I understand that. Kaloku selebhe busy.
Siyenza lento yenzayo ta. Ekuse uthenga nini membership yeKasi Mayhem ku YouTube bra? 10 rand qa. Yeah.
Yo, I'm the only member.
Ogza imember. Nami ngizoba imember izuphela eveki ngeyo member.
Nama isoziphela umaqala ngoba
Buti, there's a possibility ba next week Sunday you might play Sundowns. How you feel about that?
Sundowns kanjani because standard style, you know, like it's more like it's scanning for Kaizer Chiefs or whatsoever. But I understand that woman by at once about linked with the Kaizer Chiefs before now. So no one point over yabo, but in Tatile. So it's okay. But like to start cooler and start developing because as is in the they don't want to take responsibility man of being an elder into the field. You know, we still rely much with light, which is too much pressure, but kuthiwa indlela yololism is to put pressure on it, you know, so it's good ukuthi zigo through yonke le way zigo through zona so that emotionally and physically and mentally they can be ready for whatever that they could be ezawujulwa kubo because next season sifuna iya kwi-CAF man yabo noba siye kanjani noba number 2 noba njani but sifuna iya kwi-CAF yabo so if then they are not ready to deal with mind games and all these things then asizulenze Africa.
So like you must be the happiest person because Unab is playing the young players.
At least as much as we're putting pressure on them young players, forgetting for 10 seasons, what have they done? So can't we give as light just a fair chance? We already say, no, some girls want to be given a chance. Like, which chance?
Coach chance,
Like there are players who have consistently played that, but we put pressure on young boys because there is no results. But if we win the first two games, let's celebrate. But Chiefs is back.
Exactly.
But now we're starting to, you know. So I think that as I'm a coach, we need to see at some point. We stand with this Kabuino, but we stand against it. We need players. Yes, we know we need players, but what do we do in the meantime?
Yeah.
Kolunga puti.
Akuzolunga ndiyakuva ta awukhathazekile.
Akayifuna Sundowns. Kumeshine nje iSundowns and then wakupa konke sesifumele umngalami. That's all.
It's more like as a teacher they're playing when they're playing against because like Polokwane City babethile iyabaqhobosha almost
ibuyisile nje izolo.
Babhungile nalapho if ever
It's okay man, it's okay.
Bathi kaloku ebengekho ubhuti weBallon d'Or besayozimasa. Buyile ngo.
It's okay.
Like look at it.
Nina iplay deserve iBallon d'Or. Yes. Iweske ilaweza ifan with a PhD ufuna uchata no Jessica nithini nini?
Yo, hayi betrayal enkulu leyo. Allegedly akuyeke uJimmy Tau ke.
Wagxothwa lo.
Akuyeke uJimmy Tau ke.
Wagxothwa lo.
Ujoba lo PhD.
Puti konto ndifuna ukubuza yona man zento zasecaleni ka i-content ba i-content sometimes puti la gig yakho ide yathini bra cause andikhe ndikuve uthi uyasebenza la team yakho ithanda kakhulu andifuna uyimention sendiyimenshine kakhulu
certain games when we're still studying this thing maybe this thing is our comments January. I'm not sure but it's a maybe because now man funu ufaka umoya kakhulu ngento ehleli mhlambi yamthwa mhlambi dikhangelelwa eyona position ebhera okanye eyona nto engcono nakunali ayifumana but busy ndipoke about exam kwenzeka ntoni kwenzeka into what is the delay ndibe ndirush because izizele Brian nelahlobo ibize ngalo I feel like le hlobo izawumanifesta ngalo at the very same time not to say I won't put pressure on it xa izinto zisenzeka like show up when I need to show up but at the very same time I can't be trying to manipulate or ndisebenzisa ithini ayikho enye indlela let the progress ihambe ngehlobo ihamba ngalo
trust the process
yimatadi ndicela ubuza I don't know about Honxelele na. Did they tell you where they sourced you from?
Like
yeah, like bakubone phi kuze like babe interested.
Yeah, where did they see you?
No, it was recommended, man. I think Nanza Stadium. I don't know what we were doing, yabo. I think it's one of the cheerleaders, the Cape Town City. So, yeah, okay.
So busy later.
Wababonisa video. I think they talked about it. Mokanya ndiyazi bakuyive njani yena but wababonisa video. Man, there is this guy, yabo. Bathanda ke ngokulonto le. That's why we had to meet mokoqala and after sathi bano kwesibili. You know, so maybe also see ukuthi basajonga ukuthi man domjita we can't just use him for this. Maybe there is something great, you know, that is mhlamba funa ukuthi
entrepreneur positive mindset.
The power puti man the power that means ngosobe siphake nge-19 stadium about to enhance the probabilities.
So ariyayazi kaloku kufuneka sobethelele isikhongwane singaveli nakancane.
Hayi ke siyabulela angathi lo magwinya.
Ngime phezu kwawo soze ndiyawaguqula ndiyawavangela.
Hayi ngiyawutsiba urata dikuku. Sure puti man siyarepa apho.
Uzithi umgqibelelini.
And I hope you guys I believe you guys had an amazing shoot and I'm sorry I could not be there but amagwinya angibophelele nenyawo manje.
As long as bazotya abantwana besikolo mabatye.
Bra makliwe.
Makutyiwe futhi. Mabaqashe wena naturena man mhlawumbe uzaba khona umehluko istamina mhlawumbe sawujo sibe khona.
I feel like nditsho baphathe half time baphathe before the game.
Tamba shota ngegwinya man yabo iSpringboks zitya cake. Yeah, batsho babe lesibili. Otherwise sabulela bhuti man sobonana.
Ubonga mna bhuti man.
Nakanjani?
Yo, hey yo.
You see what I was talking about, but I'm dwell again. But like it tense, man.
Yeah.
It tense. Like I even saw like even the photographers. I don't say they shouldn't born and not hire their own.
Yeah.
But like at least diversify,
bro. Like
because even the girl that recommended him, I don't know about Unjan, but the one that they were having a meeting with, ask him like to spill out your personality because it's business, but good. Yeah, and I met her, I saw her Google Fenty, and I was like, oh, it makes sense. Yeah, because I thought I was gonna meet someone. Yeah, but it makes sense, and I feel like they're making it hard even for you fans, man. Like, cause like I know a lot of guys, abasuke cars, to me they tryna fit in. Yeah, they tryna fit in. So like it's so hard to tryna fit in. Kundaonga kelekanga 100% kuyo. Yeah, I understand. But girl, let's see how it goes. Hopefully it's gonna.
Let's see how it goes.
Yeah. Anything you want to share before we wrap up there?
Man. Aye.
Yeah, I just feel sad on what happened earlier on.
Yeah,
man.
shit.
We're just gonna share a call Guns.
Yeah, bro.
Guns was
energy, guys, dog. Yeah.
I'm so excited, bro.
I miss the Sundays, man. I miss the Sundays. Yeah. Like the adrenaline. You know, I felt that adrenaline when I was like, I was going to KX and as far as thingy.
Yeah.
Clipwell. Like now, artists as Lapa, Kailicha, Samora, all the artists that are left behind, organizer. They depend on me to get there and perform.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it reminded me roasting session every Sunday. That's the adrenaline. I was like,
need to be
fuck,
like
I miss this.
On toes.
You need to be on toes.
Surprises.
And what happened is that I don't know why did I take it lightly. I drank the previous day, so now my energy is not how it's supposed to be because we roasting session this is the show, but if I'm send for a reliable driver, but I must not drink before that because if like you have that role and then you sell, a lot can go wrong.
Yeah,
a lot can go wrong.
Yeah.
So, but I miss it, man. I miss it.
Yeah, we're gonna talk off camera, man. Let the other thing.
Yeah.
I'll follow set up as always way. Otherwise, shout out Khurman, man. I really appreciate you, and you are paving a way for a lot of guys now to go and become members, guys.
Yeah,
we need those members,
man. Please, guys, man.
We're even running out of space right now. We need to buy new equipment, new hard drives and stuff.
Guys,
so
man.
if you support us or you wanna even advertise your stuff on our platform, please contact us, man. Email corner on the description, or even contact us on our Facebook page or Instagram. We'll reply. Please, you can come and advertise your work with us. We love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Just 1 minute or 5 seconds. Subscribe. Subscribe.
Please,
2K,
man.
please, guys. 2K.
Before end of this month, please.
And I want to bring you like classic episodes. It's gonna get crazy going to December. Like so much dope guest, and I'm still gonna appear on your podcast. I'm not gonna say it. Did I say it?
You said you're gonna appear, but you didn't tell us. You didn't tell us which podcast.
I'm still gonna appear.
Okay, we're still waiting.
Yeah, it's coming. I'm sure people already heard my voice. Already. Okay. Because I'm used as a promo.
Oh, okay.
My voice is there.
You're giving us a clue now.
Yeah, go and check it out. Otherwise, sure, bro, man. All the best, man. Otherwise, we love you so much, guys, man. It's your boy Car from out in Cape Town, in Kukulete, Barcelona, Machicho, Ben Cloud, in a pole, South Africa, man. We're out.